Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emily here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules Emily fam. So guys, for today's makeup haul, I'll be firstly going into the Patrick Ta palette. This is the beauty right here. It's a nice rose gold carton, and right here we have the beautiful rose gold palette. Upon opening it, this is the color story inside. Very nice neutral palettes. So this palette in particular has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shades. Okay, so in this palette we have luminous creams, we have iridescent metallics, we have glisten pearls, and velvet mattes in single. The next thing that I did get with Patrick Ta is the liner, and this is the Major Dimension Precise Gel Liner, and I did get this in cream, and this is what it looks like. This pencil is super creamy. Let me make one more line for you guys. It's super creamy. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna take my Be Perfect eyeshadow priming base, and I'm just gonna pat this on. Yeah, so for today's look, I'm gonna go in with a very soft glam non-cut crease type of look. I feel like anyone can achieve this look that I'm gonna go for. I'm just realizing that all the names are on the back of the palette. I am gonna do an arm swatch for you guys with some of the colors so you guys can get a feel of how it looks on my complexion. Ooh, that looks very reflective. Right off the bat on my hand, they do come off very pigmented. Ooh, and the cream is very creamy. It's giving. So this is the cream on top, and we are going with a transition shade first. And right off the bat, this shadow is very pigmented. I'm loving it. Patrick Ta, so far so good. Like, I'm really patting that in. And this type of soft glam you can wear on a date night. And right off the bat, just let you guys know that this palette does have kickback, but I'm not bothered by it because that simply means that it's pigmented. Look how effortlessly that is. Oh my god. I'm loving that. So the next shade I'm taking right here is called Mother. And I'm just going to place that on the outer corner just to blend out the dark. Transition shade went in first. This is giving me an effortless finish. Oh my days. Just for the sake of this video, I think I'm gonna go in with 2 shades on the lid, and the first one that I'm gonna take is, I hate that the names are at the back. That's one thing I can see for certain. First shade I'm gonna take is called Lavish, and that's that shade right here. Let's see if it picks up on the brush. And to my surprise, it's actually picking up on the brush. And this color has like a multi color in it. It reflects green, pink. That is beautiful actually. I really love that. And look how the brush just applies that. Didn't even wet my brush and it's actually picking up color. If anything, I put the name on the screen because I can't be able to be looking back. And this is a multi-dimension color as well. So it's reflecting silver, gold. Very simple and effective. Going back with the first color, and I'm just gonna apply this right here like so. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this eye look so far. Gorgeous. It's giving. It's really. So I know I haven't used the cream as yet, and that is simply because I am planning to use it as a cream contour on my face, and hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. If not, you guys have seen the journey with me. So I just moisturized my skin using my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and I've been loving this. And the next thing I'm gonna take is my Huda primer to go into the next makeup product. While this primer dries, I'll give you guys a little backstory. So basically, initially when I saw the new Huda Beauty Glowish extension from Huda Beauty, I was instantly head over heels for it. So on the release day, I did end up in Selfridges in central London, and while being in there, I was not wowed. I was not wowed by the products because I did go with the intention to purchase the skin tints and also the bronzer. The bronzer wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, in my opinion, so I didn't purchase it, but I know some of you would have loved to have seen it on me otherwise. But what I did pick up was samples of the skin tint. So I do have 10 and I do have 11. Now usually when they're giving you samples, usually get a pot full, but I don't know, I just opened the package, so it came in something like this, and I just opened it and realized it was basically it. Seeing that I fell in love with the Fenty Beauty skin tint, I thought I would have picked this up to fall in love with it, because you know Huda Beauty is known for full coverage no matter what. So let me put number 10 on one side and 11 on the other side. I will not be color side. I'm taking number 10, and it's actually coming off a bit warmer than when I went into the store. Yeah, so probably it was the lighting in store that put me off of it. So this is 10, and so you guys can see that it gets a bit darker. This is 11. Okay, so number 10, which is this side, is said to have a deep tone with red neutral undertones, and 11, which is this side, is said to be deep skin tone with red undertone. But for some reason, I'm preferring the undertone on this side. I don't know why. I could be tripping. Right off the bat, this product does remind me of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Hollywood. The way it's giving off a glow. But let me blend this out so you guys can see. So this is number 10. And right off the bat, it's giving a bit of coverage. But it's coming off warm. You can see that glow that is giving. Number 11, I'm gonna blend this out. I'm preferring the undertone on this side more, on number 11, more than, I'm not sure. Probably take that back. But you guys can comment down below and let me know which side you guys do prefer. I do love the glow it's giving. One thing I don't like how it's feeling on the face. Right off the bat, I do have oily skin, and it's giving that effect when you've had on that makeup for quite a while and you want to take it off type of vibe, because you don't like how it's feeling on your face anymore. That's the type of vibe I'm getting with this so far. I feel like this product will be amazing mixed with another foundation or mattifying foundation to give you that demi matte finish with that lovely glowing from within type of vibe. I'm gonna take this color right here, which is the darkest shade, and I'm gonna use that cream contour and see the results I get with it. Because it's giving warmth, it's giving life. It's actually giving a lot of warmth. So I'm gonna blend the cream out from Patrick Ta. And I'm now gonna blend out my concealer. So I finished my face off camera. The same colors I used at the top, I'm just using at the bottom. And in my waterline, I'm gonna go in with the Patrick Ta Precise Gel Pencil, and this is super creamy. Hey guys, so I'm back with the final look and my specs on my mini haul today. And for starters, I really love this palette. This palette is giving me life. It's giving me what it's supposed to give. The matte shadows are super pigmented, super pigmented. What I can say right off the bat is that the matte shades are very buttery smooth upon touch, whereas in the metallics, the shimmer metallics are not as soft as the matte shades. Put it that way. Like this one feels very silky smooth, but this one has a bit of a texture to it. But nevertheless, you guys have seen how I applied these shadows on without needing to wet my brush, without needing to add any adhesive to it. And when I do get palettes like that, I really enjoy using the palette, because I don't like using palettes where I have to do extra work of applying adhesive to make it pop. You can see how shimmery my eyes are looking. Loving this. I feel like this was a good purchase. One thing I can recommend completely is this palette so far. And the cream shadow, even though I didn't use it on my eyes, I did love how it gave me that nice bronzified cream blend. It did blend out like no other. So imagine if it blended out nicely on my face, how beautiful it would blend out on the eyes. But wait for another video for you guys to see a next look of me using this palette. I have been using neutral shadows lately because I have been super lazy. I have been on the go. I have been enjoying the sun outside. So there's that. So the next thing that's in my makeup haul is the Patrick Ta Precise Gel Liner. Now this liner is creamy, it's buttery. Even when I was trying to rub it off my hands, I don't know if you guys can still see, there's a bit, that line has not fully left my arm, so you know it is durable. For starters, it's creamy and durable, so I would recommend you guys to pick this up. If not, you can definitely use a concealer in your waterline to get the same effect like a lighter concealer. The next thing is, I'm gonna insert pictures right here, is the skin tint. Now the skin tint does remind me a lot of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter. They both have the lovely glow within, so it does remind me of the Charlotte Tilbury, yes. And secondly, it's now between the Fenty and the Glowish, I prefer the Fenty skin tint more than the Huda, because the Fenty Beauty one gave me a bit more coverage than this one is. But with this one, after applying the rest of your face, is not so bad. but I guess you guys can kind of see my discoloration right there, so I only put highlighter on my nose and my cupid's bow, but I did not put any here, so you can see the glow from the skin tint is peeking through very nicely. I do love that, but I would not purchase just to wear in school. It doesn't have a scent, that's a plus. It does not have a scent. Yeah, you guys can comment down below and let me know what you guys think about these products that I demoed in this video, and let's build a conversation in the comments. Bye until next time.